Today I'm doing an exciting unboxing. Thanks to my friends at Auracast for sending me two of their audio amplifiers absolutely free. Let's jump right in. These are not just your average amplifiers. They're loaded with features that will have any DIY audio lover buzzing. Right out of the box, you'll first find a manual packed with information about the amplifier and also details on where to download the app. Next, you will notice the 4-pin analog connector, perfect for connecting your speakers, and they even include a screwdriver for easy setup. Finally, you will find the audio amplifier itself, sleek and ready to deliver powerful sound. When it comes to connectivity, you're in for a treat. Whether it's Bluetooth, optical, or even USB, this amplifier has you covered. But here's where it gets really interesting. These amplifiers support Auracast, the latest feature that allows you to stream audio to multiple devices at the same time. This is a big deal because it means you can share your audio experience with friends or family. Everyone can enjoy the music from their own Bluetooth speakers or headphones without missing a beat. Speaking of compatibility, the JBL Extreme 4, Clip 5, and Go 4 are all Auracast compatible. So if you have any of these JBL speakers, you can easily connect them and join in the fun. Imagine hosting a party where everyone can connect their own devices and enjoy the same playlist. Well, Auracast makes this all possible, transforming how we share audio in social settings. Don't forget to stay tuned because in my full review, coming soon, I'll test these amplifiers and see how they perform. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss it. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing. See you soon for the full review. Peace.